Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 242. Yes/No field markup on forms. In tip 239, I talked about using your browser developer tools to inspect the markup that Power Pages provides. This is especially useful when writing custom JavaScript for Power Pages forms. In this tip, we'll look at the markup used by yes/no fields on the form. Yes/no fields are special in that they can be represented by a few different types of markup. So, typically your JavaScript needs to know how it is being rendered, or you need to write JavaScript that handles all the options. The options include displaying the field as a checkbox, as a dropdown, or as radio buttons. Checkbox and dropdowns are simple. Checkbox is a standard HTML input type, and dropdowns are represented as select elements. In these cases, a single element is used to capture the data. Radio buttons are a bit more complex, as separate elements are used for each of the options. In this case, the element with the ID that has the logical name of the column from Dataverse isn't an input. It is a wrapper element that contains two radio button inputs. To account for this, your JavaScript needs to look for which input within that wrapper is actually selected. It's not terribly complicated, but something you might not think of unless you use your browser developer tools to look at the markup that you have to work with. In our next tip, we'll look in more details at another more complex field type, lookups. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 242 on yes/no field markup on forms useful.